Worried your child has a speech delay? Wondering how to help your child? Are you frustrated with the long waiting times? Is therapy too expensive? Telehope Speech Therapy introduces My Language Toolbox, the digital solution that lets you complete a speech and language assessment screener from the comfort of your own home. Know in minutes whether your child is communicating within age-appropriate level or has a speech and language delay. You will be provided with a personalized therapy plan with step-by-step instructions on how to help your child improve at home. Imagine the convenience of guided at-home therapy. If needed, our qualified speech and language therapists are readily available for consultations, parent training, or therapy for your child. Struggling to find time to do therapy with your child? No worries. My Language Toolbox can easily be used by teachers in school or helpers at home. Find out more at www.telehope.sg or WhatsApp us on +65 812 16691 Asia, +44 7535 153 701 UK. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.